How to post long photos on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can post long photos on Instagram. So let's dive in. First, you have to open your Instagram app, and then you have to click this plus icon on the bottom middle, and then you can see it's cropping my image and it's not a long picture anymore if I want to post it on Instagram. And if I click next, I cannot just choose the aspect ratio that it is in, like 9:16. So what you can do is you head over to your browser. You can use any browser that you have. I'm using Chrome because I have Chrome on my phone. You can use other browser as well. So just head over to your browser and search for square image, and once you search for square image, you have to click this first official site of square image. Click this, and then it's going to open this window for you. On this window, you have to choose an image. You can square with blur, you can square with color, or you can square by resizing, you can square crop. Now I want the size to remain same, but I want to just adjust the picture, so you can choose these two options over here. So we have two options, one is square with blur and one is square with color that we can use, and out of them one is advanced. So first I'm going to choose my image by clicking choose an image, and then here you have the long image over here, and then you have to click done on the top right corner, and it's going to add this image over here. Now you have this long image over here in square aspect ratio, and now you have to click download and click save, and then you have to choose where you want to save. I'm going to save it in the files, so I'm going to click files and then click save. Now click open in, and then click open in downloads. And here, once you find your image, you simply have to click this share icon on the bottom left corner, and then you have to click save image. Now head back to your Instagram and then click this cross and click discard. Now choose that image that you just wanted to post and edit it, and then click next. And now you can post this long image if you click share over here and click not now. And here you can see, if I go to my posts now here you can see I have that long photo posted over here. So that's how you can post long photos on Instagram. You can just edit those images and make them into square aspects, and then you can go to Instagram and post those long photos in the square aspect.